Hi, allesammans. Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. Håper det er bra I dag. Så I dag skal jeg snakke om forskjellen mellom verbet å være og bli. So today I was thinking about talking about the difference between the verbs å være and å bli. So just a little bit about that is there's different ways that we can form passive in Norwegian. And so, for example, but the general rule for when you use å være, to be, versus å bli, to become, is that when you use å være, it means that it's an action that's over with, for example. And when you use å bli, it means that it's an action that is still not finished. Okay, so for example, I'll give you some example here. So here are two examples that I'm going to write. Oh, and also I just want to make sure that you know that when I write things, I write these things in the chat box. So if you're wondering what I'm saying and you're like, well, how do you write those things? Then open up your chat and you will find it. So right now I posted two things in the chat box. So again, here's dørene. You can't close them anymore because I've already closed them. So I'm using er. So it's about, you know, an action that's already completed, that's done. And so that's one way in general sense of using å være. And then the other sentence that I wrote is dørene blir stengt. So that has to do with that it's happening right now. It's not done yet. So that, you know, I say the door. So if I translate that directly, dørene blir stengt means the doors are being closed. So it's not done yet. The action is still going on. So that probably is the main difference between to use å være and å bli. Å være, like I said before, is that you are right now or you were. And å bli is to become something, right? Or being something. And also, like I said, when you're using adjectives and adverbs, the difference is that å bli indicates change, while å være indicates something that is right now, something that's happening right now, that it doesn't change. For example, here's another example of that. Those two sentences with using å bli and å være. I'm going to write that in the chat box as well. Okay, so here we have the, so something that's changing, right? Versus the other sentence that I wrote in the chat box, det er godt å være hjemme. It is good to be at home. So it's not that you're going anywhere, you're already at home. Indicating no really change of your place of being. And so hopefully that helps a little bit about knowing when to use å være versus to use å bli. So, and I see I get some comments in the chat box, which is really nice. I'm glad that you guys can join me for Norwegian. Jeg håper at dere er friske og sunne, og at dere ikke er syke med koronaviruset. Hope you're all healthy and not sick with the corona. Right now, I'm just going to say ha det for nå, bye for now, and hold it friske, keep healthy,